So I saw the video that's going around of Meghan Markle watering her garden with a hose, and I thought I'd just make a little video about my watering system that I set up out in my garden. It's actually really cheap. It's like a $35 set. I did end up having to get some extra parts because I wanted to do these misters for everything instead of the lower sprinklers. I found with the sprinklers that I was actually having to use more water because the water just wasn't like reaching all of the soil and all of the roots. So they like to have this like nice even mist that's just going down. I usually in the summertime I'll run the misters for like 5 minutes per section of my garden. In the morning when I'm out having my coffee. So I set it up on this splitter system so that I can hook up the hose and the watering system that splits to the front and the back. The water is filtered. I filter it because I fill up the fountains for the birds in the summertime, so I just want them to have clean drinking water. Let's see, I'll show you. I haven't ran it for a while, so I hope the hose is on. Let's see, turn off the hose, turn on the sprinklers. Okay. So right now it's set for over here and they're just getting started, so they're a little crazy. Sometimes I have to adjust a couple of them a little bit. But there you go, there's that side. And let me see, I'll turn on this side. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust some of these. I haven't used them all winter, so they're not on like a light mist setting like they should be. Let's see. Yeah, so it kind of just spreads over the whole area. Turn this one off. Alright. And then I'm not gonna turn the other ones on because I don't think it needs it right now. It's been raining a lot. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm just showing you guys the wall. So the watering system goes underneath the porch and then comes out over on the other side. So I have it set up to water this bed here. So that to mist over those, and it keeps extending over here. Get those cups. And then I've just got like valves all over the place, so I can turn off one section, and then turn on another section, and with the misters over here. Normally there's one across here, and then it goes in here where there's another splitter that is set up, and so then I've got mist that goes in here. Oh, it looks like it was on while I had it on out there. So then I've got misters on both the lower and upper shelves in here. The plants are all wet because it got them a little bit. Leave this open, it's kind of warm in there. It's like nice and warm actually. It's a sunny, warm, wonderful day. I'm just out here in a tank top in February. So then I've got another splitter situation over here. So as you see, it kind of like goes around, and then splits off here. And I've got under here all misters. Alright, and then up on the top. This rock. Need to dump these ones into the compost. But I've got misters up along here also. And then that one popped off. I have to find it again. But then I've got like another one that's for the bird bath. So while I'm out here watering for like 20-30 minutes in the morning, the birds they'll come over and like fly through the mist and stuff. They like to do that. But like I said, like actually this watering system is one of the cheaper things that I've done for my garden. I'm not gonna lie, like it starts out cheap, or you could just like buy some seeds and put them in dirt and they'll start to grow and everything, but then like you end up needing like so much more stuff if you actually want to be good at it. So oh, and then there's like these ones, they say that you're supposed to like take these down in the wintertime in case it freezes, and it's just because like these little things will like pop off and stuff, but I just like picked them up when they fell off and I'll put them back on once it warms up. But yeah, that's the watering system, and I have like a bunch of extra parts and stuff, so like when I start putting out more pots in the summertime, then I can run lines off of these little splitters and stuff. But then also this year, since I discovered the Kratky method, I'm going to start doing more of that kind of stuff instead of having the watering system on plants. So you get to see that when I put those up too.